Good evening, everybody. It is 10:37 Central Standard Time, April 2nd, 2026. It's really April 3rd, 2026 in UTC time. So we're going to go ahead and go over the last 3 or 4 days of high magnitude earthquakes here. So we got the 7 in the southern hemisphere, 7.3 at a depth of 75 miles. We've had Aoba on alert and volcanic eruption calculation warning since 2021. So we're just going to go ahead and make sure all of our volcanoes are still on alert. High magnitude earthquake and volcanic eruption alert and warning. Make sure we have all of the volcanoes in this region on alert here that align. I started putting some new content together. It's in vertical though. The viewing is in vertical, which means the videos are not horizontal. Keiku Bay of Islands volcano is on alert. Rumble 3 I have on alert. Now these are all volcanoes I have on alert. I don't watch anybody else's channels. I check up on a few to see what they're talking about, but and see if they cover anything I'm talking about. But they don't. They don't talk about the asteroids. They don't have the descriptions I do. So I just schedule and forecast. I don't hear back from anybody. Got the 6 in Peru yesterday. There are undiscovered volcanoes in South America. Undiscovered and unmarked. That 7 in Peru aligns with Quimsachata. I have that on alert. Indonesia got the 7 yesterday as calculated for April. That's why we spent a lot of time in horizontal mode in between these volcanoes here. Now let's just align this 7. Aligns with Hiri, which is on alert. None in historic times for eruptions. And we also have Klabat on alert in Indonesia. Now, not every volcano is on alert in the Ring of Fire, just a strategic few. More than, I have more than 20 on alert. I probably have approximately, maybe close to 100 volcanoes on alert. So there's Hiri. Geliolo is on alert. Let's go to the 5s. Russia got a 5.1 31 minutes ago. We have Orataman on alert. That was on alert in 2021. Prevo Peak also had on alert. Zavartiski is also on alert. Gitoi is on alert. Gamalama is on alert. Please smash this like button, you guys. I've been doing this work for 5 years. We got the M class as calculated on the 2nd. We got an M354 at 1800 UTC. I'll play the density here for you on the right hand side of the screen as I go through these fives in Indonesia here. Let's yeah, Theodore is on alert. Just making sure. Yep, Jaleo. Todoku Ranu is on alert. Go down to Vanuatu. Yep, Trader's Head. We have that one on alert. Go west of this. We have Klabat on alert. Tangoko also is on alert. Tondano is also on alert. Yeah, this is why we have Doma Peaks on alert in the Philippines as well. Papua New Guinea, the Indonesia, Papua New Guinea border region, like we covered in 2021. Crater Mountain. Is also on alert. Car is also on alert. Yep, Jaleo. Indonesia is covered for the most part. .2 for China. We have Turfin on alert. Pagans on alert. Got lots of 5s and 6s, you guys. I've calculated for the Equator countries. Just read the description. The countries that are on high magnitude earthquake and volcanic eruption calculation warning I have written down in the description boxes. So please don't forget to read the description box of my videos. There's a 5 in Japan yesterday. This is why we have Hijori on alert. We also have Zeo on alert. South Africa at the 5-6, just southeast of South Africa. So these volcanoes are on alert. Marian Island. Prince Edward Islands is also on alert. Anguilla is also on alert. North Atlantic Ocean. Let's see here. Saba's on alert. Peru. We already have that one. 6.0. There's 5-7 for Fiji. We already have these unnamed on alert. Kool-Aid's on alert. Yeah, so Namibia got the 5-6 3 days ago. Otherwise, we calculated in 2021 from this asteroid field that I've been preparing people for 5 years now. Colombia got the 5-1. This is why I have San Diego volcano on alert. Yeah, Auckland. There's my 6 for Auckland. This is why I put Keiko Bay of Islands volcano on alert in 2021. Live. Nicaragua got the 5. That's why we have Masaya on alert. We got an update January 2nd, 2026 at 21:15. No further VA. Fau volcano is on alert near Honga Tonga. Tafai is on alert. We have Tor on alert. We have Low Torishima on alert in Japan. Timor-Leste. Reunion Island. Yeah, I calculated this in 2021. Yep. April. February and October. October 2020. Yep, that makes sense. Based off my asteroid orbit algorithm. My first upload was actually December 2020 about an incoming asteroid. That makes sense. Orlai's on alert in Timor-Leste. Solomon Islands. Tinakula. Beautiful volcano there. Is on alert as well. 5 days. It's been a while since I did the volcano video. I do these volcano videos now. Based off of the earthquake activity feed and the Earth's rotation and my asteroids telemetry or orbit path over the surface of the Earth. Its directional orbit path. At 20 minutes ago, we just got another 5. Yep, just 20 minutes ago. So we're gonna go ahead, put Giggenbach is on alert. And Curtis Island is also on alert. If you're new, welcome aboard. Please share this video with friends, family, and coworkers so I can get my subscriber count back. I was at 5,000 before someone came into the live chat, harassed me and threatened my life, and basically took the channel down. That's how jealous people were of this channel, but that's alright. We're not going to be focusing on that whatsoever. But yes, I put out a new high magnitude earthquake calculation warning for Indonesia, Papua New Guinea, the Philippines, the Equator region, Puerto Rico, Cuba, Brazil, Colombia, South America, Nicaragua. Just read the description and you'll find the countries that I have on alert based off of these asteroids orbit telemetry. Orbit path. So 2026 BK2, we have high magnitude earthquake calculation warning date for the 21st and 22nd of April. It reaches its closest distance to the surface of the Earth. I'd like to say the asthenosphere reaches its closest distance to Earth's asthenosphere on April 22nd, 2026 at 12:22 GMT. At this time, asteroid 2026 will only be 2,392,445 miles away from the Earth's asthenosphere. This affects tectonic plates, boundaries, the movements. Basically, it pulls the magma up to the surface of the plate, causing the disruption, is what I've noted here on this channel. At the exact time of closest distance is when the magnitude starts reaching its strongest from that asteroid alone. If you're new to this channel, the white dots represent asteroids under 0 to 15 yards in diameter. The green dots represent asteroids from 15 to 30 yards. The yellow dots represent asteroids between 30 and 100 yards. And the red ones represent asteroids over 100 yards in diameter. So I did make a color conversion for this map that you're looking at on the screen that I created. I invented this map by combination of programs, overlay they call it. I call it program overlay. And anyway, this map is very accurate. As you can see, the spikes align perfectly. The yellow spikes align with the yellow dots. The green ones also align with the green dots. The reds with the red. And I'm not quite too worried about micro magnitudes, but I know what they are, and I know what they do. Anyway, don't forget to check my April 2026 high magnitude earthquake warning video. I was able to get my other cell phone up and running, and I was able to make a new description, and we have a new list for April ready. So go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, leave me a comment in the comment box section if you have any questions. Yeah, we have a busy month ahead. I will see you guys on the next update. Later.